University. Combat University. Combat University. Combat University. Combat University. Combat University. Let's go!
Hey guys, welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend yourself if somebody tries to smack you to the side. So watch this clip from Ben 10 and I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out.
We gotta stop him once and for all.
Yeah. Welcome back. So you saw in the clip that Vilgax did this big swipe to Ben as he's running after him. So how did we defend against that? So as Vilgax strikes this way, or Bob here, we're going to do an out block. Block kick, snap kick to the groin, step down, left kick to the inner thigh, step, cross. Block kick, aye, cross to the face. Block, snap, kick the inner thigh, step, cross to the face. So the opponent strikes this way. Remember, block. So block, kick, step, kick, cross. So if we got struck first on this one, we're not going to be able to kick with our right. Remember the first one, we kicked here. Block, kick. Well, that's not going to work like this. So we're going to turn, left snap kick, step, right kick to the inner thigh, step, left cross. You could also do it from the other side. If you were smacked this way, then you would kick with the right. Here, left, right cross. Here, turn, kick, step, inner thigh, left cross. From here, turn, snap kick, roundhouse, cross. It would look like this. Hey! For this next one, we're going to take the aggressive stance. So, we see Bob here. He's getting worked up. Automatically, kick. Snap kick. Left kick. Cross. Snap, roundhouse kick, cross. Thanks for watching. Go try it. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.
So much for